I'm kidding.
Yeah, man, you know what? It's so interesting because it's so gray outside today. People were driving so recklessly on the road earlier when it was coming down really fast. And
in the metroplex?
In the metroplex.
Demond, I'm shocked.
No, you're there. Yeah,
shocked, I tell you.
Yeah. So what? We got tonight. It's going to be a little cold for us. I see people outside already walking around South Victory wearing their coats. They got the umbrellas out there right now. So
right.
It's coming back.
It is. Rain's on the way back. But I think the story that we'll be talking about tomorrow morning, the chill. Take a look here. It's already kind of cool, 52 in Fort Worth. The rain is coming back. It's a light mist and drizzle there in downtown Fort Worth right now. They've had 2.5 inches of rain, but that total continues to climb this evening. They could top. Hey, Mike Leslie, quiet down back there, will you? 49 degrees in Denton right now. They've had 1.5 inches of rain. Light rain still falling there in Denton County. 62 the high today. The airport, DFW, picked up about 1 2/3 of an inch of rain, but we'll add on a little bit more than that as we go through the next several hours. Right now, it's 53 degrees. Winds are out of the north at 20. Right now, that's sustained. Gusts are going to be as high as 50 miles per hour later this evening. I'll touch more on the winds here in just a moment. But take a look at the rainfall totals over the last 24 hours across North Texas. Widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain. Some of you saw quite a bit more than that. Some of you just a little bit less, but you can see everyone picked up a good soaking rain here across North Texas. Surprisingly, we needed it. Some parts of the area back into moderate drought, but that's likely going to be wiped away or at least wiped down as we head into next week because of this rain here still falling across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Right now it's light, some heavier showers found to the west of the metroplex. This is all behind this storm system. What a monster it was. Still bringing severe weather east of Texas and parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas. Some flash flooding going on there. This is the backside of it. Heavier rain falling west of North Texas. That'll try to inch its way in here as we head through the rest of this evening. So by 8 o'clock, there you go, some scattered showers across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Steadier rain over toward Graham and Archer City. By 9 p.m., the rain is scooting into North Texas. The focus of it, the highest coverage of rain, is going to be from I-20 to the north. So, if you live in Cleburne, down through Hillsboro or Mejia, Corsicana, you're not going to tack on much more rain than to what you already saw today. But if you live in areas like Decatur, Denton, up to Gainesville, you may pick up an additional 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain over the next 6-7 hours or so before this all comes to an end overnight. The sun is back on Sunday. Now, if you're an early riser, 7 o'clock in the morning, there will be a little bit of cloud cover, especially from the metroplex into the east, but the sun will be back out tomorrow morning. Wind advisory is in effect through 7 o'clock, and this is some serious business. Winds will be gusting as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour overnight tonight for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Really, all of North Texas is included, from Ellis County over to Johnson County, points to the east, north, and west of that. That is drawing in colder air, and it is going to be a chilly start to your Sunday morning. I thought we were done with this. 37 in Archer City, 37 in Wichita Falls. If you're a gardener, I'm not worried about a freeze in North Texas. It's just going to be cold. 40 degrees in McKinney, 42 in Dallas. Waxahachie, you'll go to 40 degrees. Terrell, 41 degrees. A closer look at the metroplex shows you some upper 30s. Decatur, Bridgeport, you'll fall to 39 degrees. Pilot Point, 40. Salina and Anna, 40 degrees. Richardson, 42. Arlington, DeSoto, Lancaster, Benbrook in the lower 40s. So tonight, it's going to be a windy and chilly night. The wind advisory stays in effect till 7 o'clock in the morning. Any rain we have this evening will end overnight tonight. Tomorrow, 67 degrees. It turns sunny, cool and breezy. Gusts again as high as 50 miles per hour overnight. There's the next 10 days. Our next chance of storms, that's on Wednesday, a high temperature of 84 degrees. Showers and storms right now, some of them could be severe, especially east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Something we're tracking, but at least we're dry next weekend for Easter weekend. It'll be nice and warm too. Highs in the middle 70s to the middle 80s. I thought nobody could be louder than Dale Hansen. But there you are in the back.
I dropped my hanger. Question for you. The rain that we had today, is it fair to assume that that's what's heading toward Augusta for tomorrow?
Yep.
Okay.
That's exactly right.
They're having to push everything up. They got the leaders teeing off at 9:20 in the morning instead of usually like 2:20 in the afternoon. So everything is changing, but what we saw today was pretty darn cool.